Good mighty morning, Owls. This is Miss Weiner. Today is Wednesday, February 24th, 2021. Please rise and help me recite the Pledge of Allegiance. I pledge allegiance to the flag of the United States of America and to the republic for which it stands, one nation, under God, indivisible, with liberty and justice for all. Please remain standing and help me recite the Texas Pledge. Honor the Texas flag. I pledge allegiance to thee, Texas, one state, under God, one indivisible. Now it's time for our Owl Pledge. Say it with me. I will succeed in school with wisdom and with knowledge. I'll give 100%. I will go to college. I'll do whatever it takes, just like my parents do. I'll sweat the small stuff, just like my teachers do. I'll give no excuses each and every day. I'll close the achievement gap, working hard in every way. With my team and family, I give my Owl Pledge. I will succeed in school with wisdom and knowledge. Go Owls! Hoot, hoot! Now for a moment of silence. You may be seated. As you know, IDS South Flores Academy is the best elementary school in the state of Texas. Good things happen here every day. Here's some things that happened yesterday. Scholars, we were able to see so many of our scholars working hard in math class, reading class, writing class, science class. Just an amazing job. So scholars, remember every day when you're in class, do your best. I see all of you working hard. I see all of you coming to school. So my challenge to you is every day get to school on time, which is 8 o'clock is when our announcements are. And then stay all day. Stay all day so you don't miss any instruction during the school day. Also, remember that March the 5th is going to be no school. Teachers have training, so no school March 5th. Also, remember that every day counts. So, have a great day in the classroom, and we'll see you there. Hoot, hoot!